Dr. Murugan, MBBS, with long-time experience, has alerted us and recommended us to convey this page to the medical public in the world. It might help their research work. The pages go like this. Heart contains a cell type known as intrinsic cardiac adrenergic ICA, which synthesizes and releases neurotransmitters. Atrial natriuretic factor. Atrial natriuretic factor ANF in the heart affects blood vessels, kidneys, adrenal glands, and regulatory regions in the brain. With this tremendous functionality of the heart, it is essential for us to always think straight and clear so that we do not make it sick. EQ, emotional quotient, is more important than IQ, intelligence quotient, for a person to succeed. There is a nervous system pathways between the heart and brain. There is a nervous system pathways between the heart and brain. Clear signs in the Quran indicates how heart is at the helm over the brain, and human would suffer if the heart is led to suffer disease by people's misdeeds. Fain would they deceive Allah and those who believe, but they only deceive themselves and realize it not. In their hearts as a disease. In their heart is a disease, and Allah has increased their disease, and grievous is the penalty they incur, because they are false to themselves. Verse 2-8-10. Have they not moved about in the land? They are endowed with hearts to reason, and the ears to hear. Indeed, their eyes are not sightless. Rather, what is blind are their hearts within their chests. 22nd chapter, verse 46. The previous one was 2nd chapter, verse 8, 9, and 10. We have to be extremely cautious, very cautious, to listen to God's instructions and His messengers' teaching for the safety of the heart. The day when there will not benefit anyone wealth or children, but only one who comes to Allah with a sound heart. 26th chapter, verses 88 and 89. Brain deals with reading, writing, and speech, as well as mind and logic problems, power of speech, and sense of touch, and many more other senses. We cannot help but appreciate the tremendous advance made in medical science as we learn this. Medical imaging technologies such as functional neuroimaging and electroencephalography recordings are important techniques in studying the brain. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging scan 2. Heart pumps 2,000 gallons of blood a day more easily when proper hydration is maintained.